Oil and gas extraction is a complex, multi-step process aimed at recovering hydrocarbons from beneath the Earth's surface. Here's an overview of the main stages. 1. Exploration. Seismic surveys. Geophysicists use seismic waves to map underground rock formations and identify potential oil or gas reservoirs. Exploratory drilling. After identifying potential sites, exploratory wells are drilled to determine if hydrocarbons are present and in commercially viable quantities. 2. Drilling. Site preparation. The area is prepared by clearing land, building roads, and setting up equipment. Well drilling. A drill bit attached to a drill pipe is used to bore through rock layers to reach the oil or gas reservoir. Casing and cementing. Once the well is drilled, steel pipes called casings are inserted to stabilize the well, and cement is pumped into the gap between the casing and the rock for additional support and isolation. 3. Well completion. Perforation. A perforating gun is used to create holes in the casing and cement, allowing oil or gas to flow into the wellbore. Hydraulic fracturing. Fracking. In some cases, high-pressure fluids are injected to fracture the rock and increase the flow of hydrocarbons. 4. Production. Primary recovery. Natural reservoir pressure pushes the oil or gas to the surface. Artificial lift. If natural pressure isn't sufficient, pumps or